Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add predecessors here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow with the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding predecessors here in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that is essential for creating task dependencies in project management because predecessors allow you to link tasks so that one task can start only after another is completed. Now, once you are on your Smartsheet account, open the Smartsheet where you want to add predecessors, okay? In this case, I'm going to use this one. Now, the first requirement is ensure that it has a start and end date like this one. If you have it already, make sure you create one for each columns, okay? And then go to the primary column, all right? And we need to enable dependency settings if not already enabled. By doing so is clicking on this specific column, right click on it and go to the edit project settings, okay? Under show get. After that, in the settings, you need to check the dependencies enabled option right here at the bottom because this will allow Smartsheet to manage task relationships and automatically adjust dates based on the dependencies. Now you see a column named duration exists on your sheet. Use it to enable dependencies. Yes. Okay. And while doing so, you see that the predecessors has already been added as well. All right, it's a very straightforward process, and from here all I have to do is click on OK, and voila, in the predecessor column enter the no number of the task that should be completed. For task 2, task 1, you see there's gonna be an option here. All right, you can add maybe a row 2 primary column for that, maybe how to add predecessors, and you want it to finish to start. All right, once you're happy with that, all I have to do is click on OK. Maybe that, and of course you can put in as much as many rows as you can. The idea is that predecessors help establish the relationship between tasks, showing which tasks must be completed before others can begin, or from finish to finish, finish to start, start to start, or start to finish. This ensures that tasks are completed in the right sequence. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.